If you're wondering what the best property management software is today on the market, you're in the right place. We're going to have a look at Guesty, and I'm going to show you why it is the best property management software available today in 2025. So if you are ready to start managing your property with Guesty on another level, let's get into it. So you can go ahead and use the affiliate link in the description for the Guesty Lite package. You can get $20 off as a new user if you haven't signed up to Guesty, and you can get $500 off onboarding as a Guesty Pro subscriber. So go ahead and check out the link in the description below. Trust me, Guesty is amazing. You're going to want to check it out. Let's get into the video. So first of all, before we go any further, let's figure out what Guesty actually is. Okay, so Guesty is a comprehensive property management platform that caters specifically to short-term rental properties. It offers awesome tools that help streamline operations for property managers, allowing you to handle everything from reservations to guest communications and everything in between quite effortlessly. Now, the next question you might be asking yourself is it simple to use with all of the features that it offers? Although it does offer tons of features and lots of tools, it offers an intuitive user interface, which is designed specifically for ease of use so that you don't have to focus your time and energy on trying to figure out the software. You can just use it and do what you got there to do. So whether you're tech savvy or not, you will find it user friendly. With its easy navigation and helpful resources like the tutorials and the customer support, you cannot go wrong. So if you haven't yet had enough reason to use Guesty, why should you use it over other options? So one of the major reasons is its scalability. Whether you're managing a single property or hundreds, Guesty scales to meet your specific needs. Additional to that, the platform actually constantly updates its features, and it ensures that you always have the best tools at your disposal. Now, let's have a look at some of the quick features that can help you manage your property seamlessly. First of all, you get channel management, which allows you to automatically synchronize your listings across multiple platforms. You also get booking management, which effortlessly handles bookings, cancellations, and all of this gets done in real time. You get payment processing. It's a secure and easy payment process which ensures timely transactions with minimal hassle for you as well as your guests. And then you get performance analytics, which allows you to get insights into your business with detailed reports on occupancy rates, revenue, and so much more, so that you can better understand your business. With all the features, Guesty is definitely a top contender for me in the rental property software for 2025. There are so many reasons why Guesty is at the top of the log when it comes to property management software. Now, don't forget about those affiliate links that I mentioned earlier on. You can go ahead and tap on the link in the description below and you can get those crazy discounts. Now, if you enjoyed this video, drop us a like and we will see you next time.